You know, to Native Americans, water is life. And we're here on the tributary of the Bear River, which dumps into the Great Salt Lake. And it's really important that we take care of that precious resource, especially in the part of the West that we live in today, a desert climate where climate change is such a big deal, and we have such drought conditions.
P&G is partnering with people who know about these issues and the challenges that are facing water on the ground in 18 priority basins around the world. And we're working with them to identify projects that address the challenges and help to restore water back into these water-stressed regions.